Hello folks, in today's video I wanted to dive into my journal routine, share a bit about how I'm currently doing it, give you a bit of insight into that. So I tend to do my journal in the morning. It is just a short practice. Over time I've used the Baron Fig notebook for many years, probably just because the physical sensation of writing on paper is really nice. But more recently, at the start of January 2021, I started using the Remarkable 2 tablet as my go-to journal. And it's really nice because it's keeping that sort of physical combination, but blending it with the digital. So I tend to write the date at the top of the page, and more recently I've moved to this sort of lined piece of paper and I start writing. I don't tend to write more than a page, but the real magic behind this is that I still get to keep that digital aspect of journaling. So when I'm finished, I'll go down to the bottom to share via email, and I'll send it to my Evernote unique email address, and I'll give the file a name with journal and the date. Now this is handy because then I can have a digital backup of the journal. If I ever wanted to search, for example, handwriting in Evernote, that could be helpful for future, while still retaining the ability to do it offline and sort of remove any distractions. There are tons of tools out there like Day One, like Reflectly, that allow you to do stuff like this. However, I find it pretty impressive having this sort of offline experience. So I tend to try and do this between 5:30 and 6:30 a.m. just because I try and get up a little bit before Otto wakes up so that I can get a few things done of my own, have a little bit of chilled out time before he takes over. So it's been a really good technique and process. Hopefully soon I'll have my Remarkable 2 review coming soon, which I'm excited for because I've been using it quite aggressively for a while. And also I can give you a bit more insight into how that works, how it looks on Evernote. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Make sure you're subscribed and I'll talk to you all very soon. Cheerio.